Hello everyone, I'm Mohammed and before starting the video, I just want to tell you I'm not here to sell you fake dreams or show you fake screenshots. By the way, I'm 19 and starting my journey in building an online income. So today I want to talk about the real process, the skills you need, the mindset you need, and what I'm personally doing to build something for the long term. So stick till the end. Point number one, why I choose online. Growing up, I realized relying only on traditional jobs might not give me the freedom that I want. I'm not against the jobs, but I wanted more options. So that's why I decided to learn digital skills, and personally, I'm learning about the affiliate marketing these days. So I'm associated with one of the platform that provides affiliate program through which I can make money. So I'll be talking about each and everything, the process, the system, like what kind of work I'm doing, what are the things that we need. So I'll be completing each and everything in the upcoming videos. So subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification to stick with me. Point number two, what affiliate marketing actually is. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending helpful products or services to the people and getting a small commission on the basis of percentage or whatever company decides if the customer buys through your link. So that's all about affiliate marketing, small and simple, and it's not about forcing people, it's about recommending genuinely useful things. Point number three, the hard truth. If I talk about the hard truth of this journey, of this whole industry, it's not going to be easy. You won't get rich in a month. You need to stay consistent, learn content creation, marketing basics, and build trust over time, and show up yourself even when results are slow. But the beautiful thing is, if you stay consistent, you can build digital assets, skills, audience, and trust. So, and believe me, these things can change your life over time. Point number four, why am I documenting this journey? I could have waited until I became successful to posting, but I want to share my journey. I want to share each and everything from day one. So, yeah, guys, like I have so much to say about this. Why am I documenting my journey? Why I chose YouTube and all of this stuff, content creation, why I want to build my personal brand. So basically the thing is, guys, this is the one thing that I can do for the rest of my life. I love content creation, I love doing editing. So yeah, that's all. As you can see, this is just a small setup. Like I'm having my PC where I do my edits. It's just the first video of myself. I don't even know how to talk in front of the camera. I'm not even confident yet. I i just don't know like how my image will portray in front of audience, what will happen with this channel. And just one thing is clear, I just want to speak in front of the camera. I set up my phone, I just press the start button and I start recording myself. That's all. So it's basically, YouTube is my passion. This is the one thing that I can do for the rest of my life. I just love it, and love it. So yeah, guys, I don't know where this journey will take me, what happens after a year or 2 years, how many subscribers will I get. And honestly, talking about this journey, guys, I just want to work without expecting any results. I'm not even sure where my journey will lie after 6 months or 8 months, year, 2 years, 5 years. I just don't know anything. I just know one thing, that I want to show up myself even when results are slow, even I'm on zero. This is the one reason that I want to document my journey from the starting. I want to show the wins, the losses, even the lessons that I learned, because real journey inspires real people.